your elementary age kids need middle grade resources that are fun, a little bit sassy, and that teach valuable lessons. So the Who, What, Why series is the perfect resource to teach your kids about history and the Bible while teaching them biblical truths that apply to their lives today. So now that I've told you about the Who, What, Why series, I'm going to tell you about this newest set. It's from the Old Testament, and it's going to cover the Exodus period. So the Old Testament in the Bible covers important history from creation through the prophets. God called the people unto himself. He taught them, and now us, who he is, and how to worship him. And he helped us understand why we need a savior. You can teach your kids about the Old Testament with this fun narrative and important biblical truth from the Who, What, Why series from Christian Focus Publications, written by me, Danica Cooley. Okay, so you can find the books anywhere books are sold, or at thinkingkidspress.com. Christian Focus Publications also has them for sale. Okay, I'm excited for this new set in the Who, What, Why series.